front of me is Honor 600 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, select an app you want to use in this view and launch it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner. As you can see now, I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to move your window around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. If you want to use it in full screen view, click at the top left corner. To minimize it, select this icon of a line also at the top left corner. Then to go back to your window, tap on the bubble. To close it, use this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!